Okay, so to explain what a perfect launch is, we have to cover like what's the goal with the launch. When you get a product on Amazon, there's a few things that you want to accomplish. First, let's cover the honeymoon period. In the first 60 to 90 days, there's something called the honeymoon period. We all kind of made this term up, honeymoon period, because Amazon gives you a chance. You have no sales history. Like we don't know, you put the product up, Amazon doesn't know if this is a good product, this is a bad product. If it's a really good product, Amazon wants to pump it up really hard and make sales because Amazon's gonna make more money. So in the first 60 to 90 days, it gives you a chance. It's almost like an unfair advantage because you could have like 5 reviews and show up in the top of page 1. In those 60 to 90 days, our goal is two main things. Number 1, to index and rank for as many keywords as possible. And then number 2, to establish as much sales velocity as possible that we can afford. So, I've been in two positions where I've pumped, I put $100 a day, $200, $300, $500, $1,000, $1,500 a day in PPC spend. And my sales went up. And then, I was kind of spending $1,500 a day, making $2,500 a day in sales. And then after cutting it down, we kind of level off where we're doing, maybe spending $800 a day and making $2,000 a day in sales. So that's kind of like an example of establishing sales velocity. Now, this is going to completely depend on how much money you have, but that's one of the goals, is to have that sales velocity, which then Amazon will say, wow, this is a product that is selling very, very well on Amazon, and will continue to pump you up the ranks. And this is very, very crucial in the first 60 to 90 days. The second part of the perfect launch, quote unquote, is the fact that you're indexing and ranking for all of the important keywords. Amazon is a cataloging system, and it's a search platform. So people are coming, they're looking for something. They are looking for an electrolyte powder. They're looking for like a beanie bag. They're looking for a garbage disposal, whatever. They're looking for all of these different things, and so they're typing searches. And if Amazon is indexing you and putting you in all of the right places, and you're getting that in your backend, Amazon says this product is relevant for all of these keywords, and then they're ranking you up. That makes your product easier and easier to find, and then there's more and more people seeing it, and it's like it's an equation, right? It's sessions and then conversions. So if your conversion rate is 30%, 10 people see you, 3 people will buy you. If you have a 30% conversion, if 100 people see you, 30 people will buy you. If 1,000 people see you, 300 people will buy you. And so when we're doing the conversion rate, obviously there's a lot of experts that will tell you how to optimize your listing image and title, all of this stuff to get a good conversion rate. But then the other portion of it is traffic, and then the traffic, there is PPC, and then there is organic, and they're like very closely related. So PPC, we're launching these campaigns obviously, but also we want to rank for a lot of keywords organically, so we can show up in all of the organic searches, as well as Amazon says we're relevant for these keywords and then shows up more and more.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.